Thank you very much. May I now request Dr. KC Runremsangi, Padma Shri awardee, to deliver a speech.
University Chancellor Vice Chancellor staff zong Laya Mizo tak local from the Silite in Zavai in Sibai Kabu Kacheu. For India,
First of all, I would like to greet the respected guests, the chancellors, the vice chancellors, and the staff, and everyone present here today.
For India, Kabay say Paglo, Panamako, Kabay say Paglo. Head joy Moina, the Dong He, Kalom Bema, Kalome, the Ham Kalom, the Soifia Low, in Kashazoka, hmasa Lom, Soy Bokali.
Today you have given me an honor that I cannot even dream of. And I think a simple thank you is not even enough to express the gratitude and the happiness that I feel today.
Hey, joy Moina Dong Tura, Kakalgong Yin, Vitina, the Chansin and Soiba, Kakan, Tak Soy Tura, I say, Willie, I can say, saying Don Lava.
To get to where I am today, they have given a brief introduction to my life, but I think that is not able to encompass what I have experienced today.
Kan Mizo Zai le lam te anuam ka tiin kangai sang mema amai ro chu he na ka thotira ni chuanin I lam hi chu ka thiam lava zai hi chu ka no pan te ta tanga zai thin ka ne ya ngami ka ne atang hian voin ni then hian pan hian hongai na in ka zai ni.
I do have an appreciation for Mizo dance and folk music, but initially when I started this journey, I was not a really good dancer at all, although I started singing at a very young age of 5 years old.
He kan Mizo Zai le tin he award chi sang ka don theina tura pathian mal somna dong ka dong na sa mema tin soi tur tam takaleya atira chuan ni chuna ka soyang khan ka tui mai lova ni ba se vo inni a hi chuan pathian in ka tong lo the thiam se kan culture kan lam le kan zai te hi pathian la kan han samai ang mai hian ka tui mema anuam ka tia tin Mizoram hun sang lam zirtirin kan kala kan zai boka
I'll try to translate it as best as I can. As I said before, I was not initially interested in dance, and I was really not. I was not interested as I am today when I started out. But as I journey on towards this, to where I am today, I have come to realize that I enjoy this dance. I enjoy the culture, the dance, and the songs of Mizo, especially when I started training younger generations.
Lam zirtir tua ni china soyang khan ka thoka ka tui mema aizol phachung le Mizoram hun sang he lam zirtir hen rampo na te zirtirin kan kal na sa mema tin kan zai han boka acham he chuarin ka zai pe lo thengin min zai tira me tap tiain ka zai thina ni ka zai na sa mema mi in ka zai loma mi puin ka zai ngai thadwa lam mo la ti le chap char pu le thir dang dang a hian he kan Mizo zai hi ka sana sa mema abi takin German ralun zai ka sak lo phei chuan eng a ko in zai tam mai la an lo ma kim la ba German Dragon Zai Saklo Chuan and Tichina, Chuana Kasoy Tiam Danin Voi Kata Kasai La Sang Som Humvel Voi Kata Den Kasatinin Kashiani.
Okay. I'll try my best. Yes. When I'm invited to events, they appreciated my singing so much. They appreciated my singing so much that they would request me to sing until I'm fed up of singing myself. The thing is that when they ask me to sing, they will not be content until I sing the song German Runremsangi.
Okay.